Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you are a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video, you know what's about to go down. If you see this, I am doing a nails video again. I am so excited. I am so happy. So the video has already started, probably. Yeah, it has already started, and I'm just here letting you know that you should watch my other videos, my other nail videos that I have done. Please check them out. I'll be leaving a link down in the description box, or you can just move around my channel and you'll find them. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'll not be talking too much, just watch and learn. applying the top coat, and I have only done one hand, and yeah, this is the outcome of the one hand. Yes, this is how it looks like. I really love it, and I did not know this is what I'll be having by the time I finished doing my nails, and I was so excited. I haven't done the other hand, and I'm going to be doing the same, and then I'll show you a reveal. If you've watched this video up to this point, you really need to subscribe already. Join the farm. So here are the nails, both hands. Did it by myself. Yes, I did all this by myself, and I did not know it was possible, but guess what? What's popping? This is what we got. I'm so excited. You know what to do, guys. All those things YouTubers say, do that for me. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Please leave a comment down in the comment section, like this video, and share with the family and family of friends. Bye. Mwah.